Hi, my name is Nicole Kurtz. This is my Week 7 Interactive Advanced Concept presentation. So today we did balloon geometry, and all you needed were balloons. During my presentation, I'm going to go over 6 different types of geometry. So first, we can watch me doing the activity. This is my Week 7 Interactive Advanced Concept presentation. So today we're doing balloon geometry. With me I have my 6 balloons to do all 6 of the different geometries that I'm going to be talking about. So first I'm going to blow up 2 balloons. So if I would put these 2 balloons together and they'd be pointing in opposite directions, it would be considered a linear geometry. Next, I'm going to blow up an additional balloon. Now with all 3 of these put together, you will form a triangle planar geometry shape. And now I will blow up my 4th balloon. Now, whenever I put 4 of my balloons together, it'll form a tetrahedral geometric shape. And now, whenever I blow my 5th balloon up, with 5 balloons put together, this forms a triagonal bipyramid, also known as a triangle plane position. 3 of them are in the triangle plane position, and then 2 are placed in opposite directions of each other. And now I will blow up my last balloon, my 6th balloon. And all 6 balloons put together, this forms the octahedral, like this. And all 6 balloons together form the octahedral, also known as the square bipyramid. Thank you. And so now I will go over the different geometric shapes. So whenever I had 2 balloons, it was called linear. They orient themselves to point in opposite directions. Whenever I had 3 balloons, the electron domain geometry was the triagonal planar. The total number of electron domains were 3. The type of molecules were AB2. Number of lone pairs was 1, and samples and an example of this is SO2. Whenever I had 4 balloons, the electron domain geometry was tetrahedral. The total number of electron domains was 4. The type of molecule were AB3 or AB2. The number of lone pairs were either 1 or 2. An example of each is for 1 lone pair, it's NH3, or for 2 lone pairs, it's H2O. For 5 balloons, 3 of the balloons were positioned in the triagonal plane, and then 2 were pointed into the linear, which were in opposite directions. The electron domain geometry was triagonal bipyramid. The total number of electron domains was 5. The type of molecule was AB4, AB3, or AB2. The number of lone pairs was either 1, 2, or 3. And an example of one lone pair is SF4. 2 lone pairs would be ClF3. And then 3 lone pairs would be IF2, -2. With 6 balloons, it made a square bipyramid. The electron domain geometry was octahedral. The total number of electron domains was 6. The type of molecule was AB5 or AB6. The number of lone pairs were 1 or 2. An example of one lone pair is BRF5. An example of 2 lone pairs is XEF4. So why is this important to know? This is important to know so we can understand the molecular and electron domain geometry of the ABX molecules. Thank you.